The streaming platform, Paramount Plus, offers a massive library of classic movies and brand new studio hits. But it takes a unique approach to how it handles live sports and exclusive TV shows. We analyze the movie catalog, the exclusive series, the sports calendar, and the true pricing to see if it actually delivers on that promise. By the end of this review, you will know if Paramount Plus is the right streaming service for your entertainment needs. When it comes to the movie selection, Paramount Plus is best for people who love big studio blockbusters and classic family films. Movie fans who want to see films shortly after they leave the theater will find this service a great choice because it is owned by Paramount Pictures. If you are a parent with young children, you will find that this is the main focus for family night, since it has almost every Nickelodeon movie ever made, including the latest Sonic the Hedgehog adventure and the SpongeBob movie. However, viewers looking for Disney originals or Marvel superhero movies will not find them here, because those are kept on other apps. On the animated fantasy side, Paramount is planning major projects like the animated Legend of Aang, The Last Airbender, which is set to debut directly on Paramount Plus instead of theaters. For adults who want something more serious, there are action films like The Running Man, along with fan-favorite franchises such as Indiana Jones, Mission Impossible, and Scream. Science fiction fans will also notice that the entire library of older movies from this studio sits in one place. This includes the complete collection of Star Trek films. You can also stream award-winning space stories like Interstellar and Arrival. Horror fans will find plenty to watch with the 2026 additions to the A Quiet Place series. Viewers who enjoy older cinema will appreciate the deep collection of classic movies that are hard to find on other platforms. Overall, this app works well for people who want a mix of brand new hits and older movies that the whole family already knows and loves. When it comes to TV series and live channels, Paramount Plus is the main choice for local news and reality TV fans. Viewers who like to keep the television on in the background while they work will see the live channel section as a big strength of this service. It gives you a live feed of your local CBS station, so you can watch your city's news and the big nightly shows as they happen. If you're a fan of reality shows from networks like MTV or Comedy Central, you will be happy to see that you can watch thousands of old episodes whenever you want. Paramount Plus also has a big selection of TV series for all kinds of viewers. You can find exclusive originals like Tulsa King and Special Ops, Lioness, which mix action and drama, as well as fan favorites like NCIS, Sydney from the long-running NCIS franchise. Classic animated series like South Park are also available, along with suspense and crime shows like Dexter, Original Sin that you won't find on other streaming services. If you are a viewer who enjoys learning about the world, the specialty channels like the Smithsonian Channel provide a lot of great history and science shows. And people who enjoy watching award shows will also find that this is the primary place to stream the Grammys, Golden Globes, and Tony Awards. If you have already decided you want to try Paramount Plus, you can find the link in the description. Using my link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. Now, let's talk about the sports selections. In the sports category, Paramount Plus really focuses on professional soccer and NFL football. Soccer fans will see this service as a top choice because it is the exclusive home of the UEFA Champions League in the United States. That means you cannot watch those European matches anywhere else without this app. And fans of Italy's top league, Serie A, can stream every live match here as well. NFL fans can watch every game that airs on their local CBS station each Sunday. But viewers who live in an area with strong reception should know they can get those same CBS games using a digital antenna. For UFC fans, Paramount Plus is the exclusive home for all UFC live events. and college football fans, along with golf viewers who tune in for the Masters, will find this service to be the main place for those specific CBS broadcasts. Overall, sports fans may see this as a strong specialty option, but it is not a full replacement for a large cable package. And viewers who follow local baseball or basketball teams will quickly notice those games are missing, since the service does not carry regional sports networks. When it comes to pricing, Paramount Plus is a good fit for people who want a lot of entertainment without a huge monthly bill. If you are a viewer who is trying to save money and does not mind seeing a few commercials, the basic plan costs $8.99 every month. But movie fans who hate interruptions can upgrade to the $13.99 plan for an ad-free experience. This more expensive plan also includes all the movies and shows from the Showtime channel and lets you watch some content in higher quality. And before you buy, check your Walmart membership. Many people do not realize that a Walmart Plus account actually gives you the basic version of this service at no extra cost. Viewers who like to watch on the go will be glad to know that up to 3 people can stream at the same time. But anyone hoping for a digital recorder feature may be disappointed because there is no option to record live games for later. On the bright side, if you are worried about hidden fees, you can relax. The pricing is simple and the monthly subscription is all you pay. I hope you found this review helpful. The best way to support the channel is to use the link in the description. Thank you for watching.